Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. US House Republicans to push energy, crime, and immigration agenda in midterms push. Washington Reuters. Republicans in the US House of Representatives will unveil plans this week to support the US energy industry, fight crime, and combat illegal immigration as they seek to gain the upper hand in the November 8th midterm elections. The Republicans build their commitment to America agenda is a prescription for economic and social ills they say President Joe Biden's Democrats have caused, with top House Republican Kevin McCarthy hoping it will also serve as an unifying message for this party in the closing weeks on the campaign. House Republican leadership also intends the platform to help the party's search candidates keep their focus on criticizing Democrats rather than on former President Donald Trump's false claims of election fraud in 2020. The plan will propose increasing U.S. energy production to address high gas prices, boosting funding to hire more police, and reimposing Trump-era coming border restrictions to stem the flow of migrants coming from Mexico, lawmakers said. They will unveil it on Friday in Monongahela, Pennsylvania, a small city in the Red Congressional District outside Pittsburgh. There's a plan for a new direction for America, one that will curb inflation, give us lower gas prices, make your streets safer again, but also give parents a say no their kids' education and bring accountability back to this government. McCarthy told Reuters. Republicans are favored by nonpartisan election analysts to arrest Democrats to 221 until 211 majority in the House, and doing so would give them the power to block Biden's legislative agenda and to launch potentially politically damaging investigation into his administration. With Democrats still in control of the White House and control of the Senate up for grabs as well as November 8th, the parties will need to work together to pass meaningful legislation. If Republicans are fortunate enough to take the House of Representatives, we will have policies ready to go day one, said Representative Yvette Herrell of New Mexico, whose bid for re-election is a toss-up. She pointed to her own bills to prevent the Biden administration from relenting on COVID-19 border restrictions and to require the administration to seek congressional approval for any curtailment of energy leases on federal lands. Democrats dismissed the plan, saying it ignores serious voter concerns about abortion rights and the state of American democracy, issue that aided Democratic victories recent in special House election in New York and Alaska, and helped block abortion restrictions in Kansas. I don't think they have an agenda that the American people will want. House Majority Leader Steny Hoyer, the chamber's number 2 Democrat, said in an interview. Kansas showed that to be the case in I think New York showed it to be the case in Alaska, which hasn't had a Democratic congressperson for a long time. We're doing that the public thinks is for them, for the people, Hoyer said. Flashback to 1994. The commitment to America is modeled on the 1994 Contract with America, which helped give Republicans control of the House and Senate. It identified specific policies that the party pledged to pursue if given the majority. We are going to show the country how to do this. Representative Steph Scalise, the number 2 House Republican, told reporters. Then, if we get a majority, we will have a mandate to do those things. Concerns about the U.S. Supreme Court decision ending national abortion rights and the high-profile congressional and legal investigation into Trump's attempt to overturn his 2020 election defeat have also boosted enthusiasm among Democratic and Independent voters. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.